Hey everyone, Raji here. I'm a designer on Figma Draw, and today we dropped some releases for variable with stroke. A couple of quality of life updates. Should be easy, should be fast. Let's get to it. So we've got a uniform width stroke here. You can see here in the width profile. I'm in Figma Draw right here, and you can see as I drop that down, you can see all these previews. Now, let's say you see this stroke. It looks pretty good, but I want to change it a little bit. Now we have this edit width profile. It'll jump you right into variable width editing, and we can actually change those widths here. Now, let's say you change this and you want something in between. Maybe I want 1.5. Now you can just click into this pink box here, do 1.5, maybe that's perfect. And if you double click as well, it'll bring you into edit. So you can really get your precision editing done this way. Another thing that we have is if I hold shift select and select 2, I can actually resize these at the very same time. And so you'll see that I can keep them very symmetrical. And another thing that we added, let's create something kind of wild looking, no clue why we're making this, is a width profile preview. So you'll be able to see over here now alongside all of these defaults, something custom that you've added here. So these are all great. And then one more thing that we added is the ability to tab through. So if I click one and I click tab, you'll see I can just tab through, see all the different widths here. If you're really a precision editing sort of a person, also shift tab will take you back. Also, if you want to get really wild, no reason why, you can double select and tab selections of 2 just for fun. All right, let's move along into a real world example with our FigPal Auto. Now, Auto, I kind of wanted to give him a little bit more, I don't know, like bulbous eyes, not just a uniform width eye. And so I want to use variable width stroke for this. So I'm going to edit my vector. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to use the variable width tool, and I'm going to put a width point here and drag it out. And you may notice that this is just snapping, and that's because we have our preferences for snap to pixel grid turned on. If I turn it off, if I do this now I can get those really finessed edits in. This looks really good right about there. But let's just say you're the kind of person that lives by snap to pixel grid. That's fine too. If you're resizing like this on the width points, hold control as you do so, and that'll ignore that setting. So once again, we're back here. Love that. That's great. But I want this over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the properties and select this and paste the properties right there. Look at that. Gorgeous, beautiful little eyes. Love them so much. And lastly, just want to let you know the kind of things that I'm creating with variable with stroke are some really cool Mickey Mouse style gloves, illustrations, peace symbols, whatever. In this case, notice this thumb. We need some variable with stroke. Let's just add that real quick. Boom, we're all good there. And this looks beautiful. If I want to edit it, once again, come here, edit it, maybe do your finesses here, maybe that control trick right there. But this is looking great. Love it. Anyways, those are our updates. Hope you enjoy them. Let me know online if you see anything else that needs to be updated or anything that we can help fix. All right, peace.